We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2014 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. This one is in the vivid black, has the higher T handlebars and a nice big front fairing with windshield attached, bright LED headlights. Also has the soft saddlebags made by Thrashin. The saddleman seat, really comfortable. Sissy bar. Also has the Bassani exhaust. And a nice big intake to go with it. Red Vans grips. And she will start right up. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.